Good morning. I'm gonna show you the update on the 2006 F250 Powerstroke with the 6-liter in it. I bought 7 injectors from a guy off a marketplace. They're used injectors. He said they came out of a running 6-liter, and I figured I already had an issue with the number 3 injector having a broken plug, and had it wired together and kind of just cobbled together. Then I had an number 5 injector. The cylinder number 5 injector had quit, so I had a low circuit on that. It said injector low, and I showed that in the contribution video, the cylinder contribution video, when I was showing the Icon T7, and I'm going to do that again here in just a second. So I'm going to crank this up. I'm going to show you. So. A little bit long on the start, but good smooth idle. I'll come down here, hit diagnostics, forward. I don't know if you can even see that, it's so bright. Automatically search. I hit OK. It found it. It's at 41%. It takes a second. I wonder if I reduce the brightness on this, if y'all can see it better. Anyway, let's see. Special functions, powertrain, engine power balance monitoring. Alright. Now this is where we're at now. Before, on cylinder number 5, it was way down here. Look at that line. Much better. I went ahead and replaced cylinder number 3's injector and cylinder number 5's injector. So, I mean, it's running real good now. Y'all have a nice day.